What is the impact of supplemental testosterone? This is probably one of the most common questions I get from male and female partners, which is what is the role of someone taking testosterone when they're trying to get pregnant? Most people are shocked to learn that testosterone is contraceptive for men. Said differently, if a guy takes testosterone, his body will shut down sperm production. And the reason is that the only hormone in the male body that the body can actually understand that it's actually making adequate sperm is from looking at the production of testosterone. In fact, it's estrogen that feeds back to the brain, but it's all about the production of sperm. It ends up that if the body is not making the right number of hormones, the brain won't send the right signals. But if the body senses an excess of the hormone, an excess of testosterone, then it's actually going to believe that it's already making an adequate amount of sperm and it won't send the signals to make more sperm. So when in doubt, do not take testosterone, especially when you're trying to get pregnant. If you're taking testosterone, typically this is reversible. It can take 3 to 6 months sometimes for the effects to be reversed, but typically when men stop taking testosterone, they can regain their sperm count. If you have any questions, when in doubt, go seek a fertility doctor. I know that people like myself at CCRM are all available across the country for either an in-person or telehealth visit, if that's helpful. But of course, there's lots of other providers here on the Dandi website, and we hope you reach out to one of us to get your questions answered. Thank you again, and good luck on your journey.